Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to hide a page from navigation in Hostinger Website Builder without deleting it. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to Websites and select Websites list. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. If you have a long list of different websites here and you want an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. For example, or the two websites are built using WordPress and the third one is built using Hostinger Builder. Click on Edit Website. This is my website on Hostinger Website Builder, and to hide a page, let's say I want to hide this reviews page without deleting the same page. Click on Pages and Navigation, and here drag and move your desired page like that below hidden from navigation. These pages are accessible through search engines and URLs, but will not appear in your navigation. Now, let's see. This is the instant result. And always don't forget to change or to save your changes. Let's see my website live. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, the reviews page is no more accessible from the navigation menu, but if I access it directly, where is the page URL? This is the page. If I access it directly, I can still access it. Here I gave it a password to access it, and this is the reviews page. If you are looking for how to protect a page with a password in Hostinger Website Builder, just look for it on YouTube. I have a other tutorial for this. And this is how to hide a page from the navigation menu without deleting it in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.